Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Fiverr group, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a Fiverr group, first open up your Fiverr app, and in order to proceed to delete that Fiverr group guys, you must be at least an administrator. So after opening your Fiverr app guys, open the group which you want to delete, and after opening your group guys, and on this interface guys, at the top of the screen you can see your name. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see, if you scroll down here, it says clear chat content and leave and delete. In order to delete that group, you must be an admin of that group as I said guys earlier, because I created the demo group earlier, so you will also be able to delete it if you're an admin. So in order to proceed, tap and leave on delete, and tap and leave on delete again, and that group will be deleted on Fiverr. And there guys, this is how to delete Fiverr group. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.